DLM5000 and DLM3000 mixed signal oscilloscope functions and features. Part 4. Waveform comparison using waveform snapshot. The DLM5000 and DLM3000 waveform snapshot function can retain the waveforms captured by multiple triggers on the screen. 1. All of the newly captured waveforms can be compared to the object waveforms white. Each time pressing the snapshot key, the current waveform will be saved on the screen. Such operations can be used to compare multiple groups of waveforms. 2. Waveform captured by snapshot function can be saved and loaded. Save image data. The DLM5000 and DLM3000 can print or save the screen image data with a single click, and saved waveform can also be confirmed on both devices. 1. Screen capture and waveform data can be printed and saved to multiply output destinations at the same time. Save and load test results. DLM5000 and DLM3000 can save and load data from internal memory, USB storage device and network drive. 1. Accept waveform data. Following types data can also be saved in File, Menu, Setup Data, Screen Capture Image, Waveform Zone Data, Snapshot Waveform Data, Measured Waveform Parameters, Serial Bus Analysis Results, FFT Waveform Data, Histogram Data, List of Timestamp Data. 2. Accept waveform data. Following types data can also be loaded: Setup Data, Waveform Zone and Polygonal Zone Data, Snapshot Waveform Data, Physical Value, Symbol Definition Files.
Thanks for watching. Kindly contact Yokogawa TMI Malaysia for further information.